Welcome back. In this week's Weatherwise segment, I'm going to go over how clouds form. Now, first off, we need some radiation from the sun that allows for the ground or the water to kind of heat up. And as the sun warms that water, we're going to have some evaporation. Now, what that means is that we're going to turn liquid water and vaporize it or turn it into a gas. Now, this can take place on any river, lake, creek, ocean, or even a puddle of water on the ground. Then this gas enters into the atmosphere as water vapor. Now, also in the atmosphere are microscopic particles called cloud condensation nuclei, or CCN. Now, this includes dust, pollen, smoke, or even sea salt, just to name a few. Now, as that water vapor rises into the air, it cools and condenses onto those CCN, forming tiny water droplets. Now, with all these tiny water droplets kind of bouncing around in the air, well, they're going to tend to coalesce or stick to each other. And with those, of course, slightly larger droplets as they stick together, we then see clouds then forming. Now, within that exact same cloud, you have those larger cloud droplets, which once again kind of bounce around inside, and then they become too heavy, and then they end up falling out of the cloud as rain. So from the beginning to end, we have radiation that causes evaporation, then cooling, condensing into those tiny droplets, and then that leads into coalescence to the larger cloud droplets, and of course, then we have rain.